got no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a strip pole. Jack girl, pretty face with a big pole. Elevator smoked out on the top floor. Asian door, treat a bitch on like.
What's up, YouTube? So today I am back with another YouTube video. What's up, y'all? So as y'all can see by the title, y'all already know what I'm finna be doing today, period. So as y'all can see right now, I'm showing y'all what I started, even though I didn't finish because it wasn't working. But I just decided to show y'all how I be making my bangles and stuff. So if y'all don't know, I make bangles, like designer inspired bangles, like as y'all gonna see in the video, or as y'all see them packets and stuff over there sitting on the table. That's like Fendi, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Balenciaga, and all that. So if y'all didn't know that, now y'all know. So y'all can go follow my Instagram at Luxurycandycharms. It's gonna be down below. So yeah, so as y'all guys can see, that's Chanel blue. I was gonna make I am making a set of blue, but as y'all watching, y'all can see throughout the video that it didn't work out because well, actually, yes it did. So I'm showing y'all, I use split rings. I use, in the plier that the split ring was on is a split ring plier. If you make bangles, then you definitely need, if you want to use split rings. If you use jump rings, I don't like to use jump rings because they fall off. Well, I feel like they fall off. So I used to use jump rings, but I switched it, so now I use that. And if you ever want to use split rings, then you have to have a split ring plier, or else it won't work. So you can find a split ring plier at Walmart. I found a split ring plier at Walmart. So yeah, so I basically just put all my split rings on the designer inspired charms. That one is cute, period. It failed, but it's cute. And it's Louis Vuitton, and Louis Vuitton and Chanel, period, with the tassel. I decided to do it's basically the bangle that I'm making right now is a custom bangle. This girl told me I could do whatever I want, and she just want 4 charms on it, so I decided to do that. So how I put the charms on, I open up the bangle and then I slide them on there, and then I just make sure I close it back up so they won't fall off. So if you use jump rings, then you can do that too, but some people do whatever they want to do. So yeah, so basically I'm just sliding the bangles and stuff on there and stuff. And sometimes I get it messed up, like the Chanel sign be backwards sometimes, but you just got to keep trying and then you'll eventually get it. So now as y'all can see, I'm trying to close. I'm trying to show y'all while I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to close it back up so they won't slide off. So yeah, I'm just let y'all watch. I might speed it up a little bit because yeah. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, I didn't really have anything like picked out that I knew for sure was gonna go with the bracelet, but I was just basically trying out stuff, and I was asking my mom and my sister advice because, like, I don't know. So I was just trying that Louis Vuitton out. I think I'm gonna take that tassel off because it don't really, like, it look purple. So yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm trying to put the silver on, but it keep on falling off, so that just probably meant that I didn't need to put that on there anyways, because yeah, yeah, I'm just trying to put it on and it's not working, and that's the annoying part. So I think I'm gonna change that. Well, I did change that charm to a Gucci one. So yeah, guys. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, I decided to add I added the Gucci. I decided to add a little daisy, another shade of blue. This bracelet, I called it the 3 shades of blue, because it's like a turquoise blue, dark blue, and wait, yeah, I think it's something like that. But so right now I'm finna tell y'all, I decided to tell y'all like where I get my charms from. So we finna start. Well, I'm finna tell y'all where I got everything on this table from. So first we finna start with the pliers. So I got my pliers from Walmart. The split ring one was like $6-7, and then the purple one, it came with 2 others. Y'all see that? That's cute, ain't it? I was trying to get it to focus, but yeah. So the purple pliers that I got I forgot what they called, but they came with 2 others. I don't really use those, but they are useful. So I got all my pliers from Walmart basically, and then I got my bangles. I get my bangles off of Amazon, or sometimes I get them off Etsy. And then so I got my charms from my vendor. No, I do not sell my vendor. You can find you a vendor, period. I don't sell vendors. I'm not a vendor. I don't wholesale charms. I buy wholesale charms from my vendor. And then like for like, you see that flower that I got on it, I got that from Michael's. And well, basically I try to find, like right now I'm trying to find like some cute like charms to like add on, like some just little fillers. That's what they call. I'm trying to find some fillers. So I'm probably gonna get some like off of Etsy or something. But yeah, so that's what I'm trying to find right now. But for right now, my fillers have been from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna make another bangle just because I'm bored. And I am selling this one if somebody said they want it, but I haven't posted it yet, so I'm gonna post it to see who want it. So yeah, I'm making a Fendi one, I think. Yeah, Fendi with 2. Actually, these charms, these little bitty charms that's going on this bracelet, I also sell charms that's only $2.50. It's 3 charms that come on, but they not small. They small. I did not mean to say they small, but they not really that small. Like $2.50, you cannot beat that. Period. So these charms that I'm putting on there, I got them off Amazon. And I think I got like 100 of them, and it was only like $15. So yeah, I got them off. I know I got them off Amazon. I just don't remember how much they cost. So yeah, so if y'all just want to find like some little cute charms or whatever, then y'all can get on Amazon. And if y'all hear somebody snoring in the background, that's my mom. Sorry, but yeah, so basically I'm just finna make another one and I'm finna speed it up. But y'all, that blue one is fire, period. I asked her, did she like it? She said, oh my gosh, yes. So I gotta make her another one. And yeah, so if y'all like my charms, y'all could shop with me. Y'all, I promise y'all I'm working on my website. Like, it is like I need help. Like I was supposed to do, I ain't even gonna lie, I was supposed to do it last week. Before last week I was supposed to been do it, but y'all, I don't know, I just been slacking. So yeah, soon y'all will be able to order from me. But right now, if you live out of town, then you can still order from me. You just have to Cash App me, and as soon as if you do it on like a weekday or something, then it will go to the post office the same day that you order it. And I will send you proof that I will not play people, because I will not want nobody to play me like that. So yeah, I'm just finna speed it up, period, because I'm finna make a little cute one and all that. So yeah, Fendi. you guys, so right here I'm grabbing another set of bangles. These are actually my mom's bangles. She don't know what she she don't know what she be wanting. She just want like different colors, so that's why you see a pink and a yellow bangle and a pink. So actually, as y'all finna see, y'all not finna see what the outcome looks like, because I didn't really finish because I was getting frustrated, because it was frustrating me because my mom wanted these on her bangle. She wanted to add beads to her bangle, and so I'm not selling. Well, I might start selling, but I'm not gonna sell bangles with beads on them. But I'm just doing that because my mom asked. So as y'all finna see right here, I get frustrated fast and it just wasn't working, but whenever I cut off the camera, then it started working. So basically I'm just showing y'all. Them are I forgot what they called, but I got those from where did I got them from? Michael? No, yes, I got them. Yes, we got them from Michael. So yeah, I'm just show y'all what. Well, y'all gonna see that it didn't work out because I don't know, it just didn't work out when the camera was on. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, I actually made another one. This one is a bubble tray. It took me a minute to get it on the bangle, but I got it on there, period. So this is Gucci bubble tray. I actually never made a bubble tray, but I think I'm gonna post a picture of it and I'm gonna try to sell it. But yeah, this is actually cute or whatever. So yeah. Right now I'm gonna put the tassel on there, just the razzle dazzle, tassel dazzle, and all that. And then at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you guys all the bangles that I made. Not that I made a lot, but just the entrepreneur video, period. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so get into it. Got the Gucci, Fendi, Prada, Louis V, Chanel, Gucci. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Got the unicorn, uni. But okay, guys, that's the end of this video. This is the one I made today. This one is also, I love this, period. I don't want to sell it. This, I made this also not in the video, but I made it earlier today. I made this one the other day. All these is my work, so if you guys like my work, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram at Luxurycandycharms, period, and support, period. So I got some more fire stuff coming, so yeah, if y'all want to stay tuned, then period. So this is my work, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, and peace, golden babies.